We're going to use our solutions to write factors. This is something that is very easy. Just try not to overthink it, and you'll have this one done in like 5 or 10 minutes. So you're given your solutions to your quadratic, and these are what we did the other day with the solving, like at the very end, where you had your equation equal to 0 and then you solved. Notice how this solution is a positive 5 and the factor had a minus 5. So we're basically just going backwards. We're taking the solution, we're writing it into the binomial by changing the sign. If it's a fraction, we're going to be doing a little bit strange process. Like here, you can see that the negative 5 is the positive 5 at the end, and then the 2 is at the front of that factor. So we're going to be kind of dissecting that and putting it back into the binomial that way. So here we go. We've got a couple examples. What you're going to do, you're going to be having a parenthesis set. You're going to have x, and when it's not a fraction, it'll just be an x, and then all you have to do is put the opposite sign of whatever this is. So this is a 3. I'm going to say minus 3. That part's done. Then you have another parenthesis set, and you have an x, because it's not a fraction, so it's just going to be an x, and then it's a minus 4, so I'm going to say plus 4, and that's it. Those are the factors. That's what they're wanting us to do, is just to write those factors. Here is another example, and this one has a fraction in it, so I could show you how to do that. The first one is a whole number though, so you're going to just start with x. You just put the opposite sign, plus 2. Right here we've got a fraction. So we're going to have the denominator will always go in front of the x, and then the numerator will go at the back, and this is a positive 2/5, so we're going to put minus, and then the numerator. Kind of weird, but just practice it, go with it. Easy to get the answer really quickly. And if you want to check it, you can always take that binomial, set it equal to 0, and solve. So here to solve, I would be adding the 2, which would give me 5x equals to 2. Then I would divide by 5, and that would give me x equals 2/5. You can see that that is the solution from that binomial. So then you can know that you did that correctly.